Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of our video series. Today I'm sharing with you the arrangement pattern of the ITO lines at the bottom of the iPhone top screen. This video will be divided into two parts. First part is the ITO line arrangement. Second part is identify the cracks in normal lines. First, let me show you this image. You can see that the lines are labeled with red, blue, black, and the letter G, each representing different functions. Red stands for touch lines, blue for pixel lines, black for power supply lines, and the letter G indicates VDD and VSS. Starting with the black sections on both sides, these are the power supply lines. Each set consists of 4 thin lines. They not only provide power to the screen, but also carry I/O signals. Therefore, when there's an issue with this part, display abnormalities may appear on the top 2 sides of the screen, or even the entire screen's color may change. Next, we have the dominant blue sections with 3 groups on each side, and each group is separated by a G group. These tiny lines control the vertical pixels. If they are damaged, vertical lines will appear on the screen. These 6 groups correspond to 6 areas on the screen. So, when lines appear on the screen, you can refer to this diagram to identify which group is faulty, facilitating quick repairs. The first group is the smallest group, about 200 pixel lines here. Here comes the end of first pixel group. Then, we have the G group, totaling 5 letter G groups. The first G group on both sides are VSS, while the rest of the G group are VDD. They are the internal power supplies of the screen. They are less likely to encounter issues because many lines are connected in parallel. When some lines are damaged, it does not affect the normal display. Notably, in the middle of the first G group on both sides, a set of touch lines is inserted. These control the touch functionality on the left and right sides of the screen. When damaged, they can cause partial or complete loss of touch sensitivity. After we finish the first G group, we will come to the beginning of the second pixel line group. This pixel line group is bigger than the first one. We may see a gray cover near the end of the second group on some iPhone models. This cover still belongs to the second pixel line group. This is the real end of the second group. There is a G group in the right side. This G group is VDD. The gray cover also appear here. It's belonged to the third pixel line group. We can see the border between the G group and pixel lines down here. The third pixel group begins here. The third pixel line group is the biggest pixel group. It ends up with a G group. This gray cover belongs to the third pixel line group. This is the end of the third pixel group. There is a G group in the middle, it's VDD. If we continue to search, we will find the beginning of the third group on the other side. There it is. The left and right sides are completely symmetrical, and the structures are the same. Now it comes to our second part, identify the cracks and normal lines. Cracks and normal lines are quite different. Let's check out the details. This part is the normal lines. They are flat and smooth. While this part is the cracks. Do you see the difference? We need to use laser to repair these uneven parts. Sometimes the cracks may not only appear on one side. There are 3 sides of the ITO lines. We should also check the backside and the downside for insurance. That concludes this episode's content. Please stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates. We'll see you in the next video.